Why am I wearing shades? I don't know. But I'm editing the video, right? And I just realized that I did not address an intro or anything. I literally just went straight into the video. So this is me telling you guys to sit down and stay and watch the whole thing. If you want to know what my skin routine is like. I also wanted to say that I love you. Okay? This is real, raw FaceTime, sister to sister, bestie to bestie. Oh, by the way, I just had to put this in there. Whenever you get out the shower and your hair is soaking wet, damp, you have to dry it up with a t-shirt. Don't use a towel, it's too rough. Start using a t-shirt, literally. Microfiber towel, those work too. So I also wanted to do like a little bit of hair care as well, but not a lot. Like, I'm just gonna show you guys this new product that I just bought. It's from Odili, and it's called an air dry styler. Smooths conditions, gives soft separation for air dry perfection. So the idea is that I apply this to my hair, and I don't have to put anything else after, because this is gonna style it. What is it? Let me see. So it says this easy on salon. Oh, smooth frizz and creates separation. You know that artfully rumpled, never messy lock in, moisture lock out, frizz, and add shine and texture for a perfect air dry. You can happily skip the blow dryer and embrace your natural side. All Odili products are gender neutral and meant to be shared. Period. Directions: work evenly into towel dry hair. Go. Okay, well, we don't use a towel on the side, but we're gonna do that. We're gonna do like these. Can you guys see it? It like has no color. Oh my god, it smells like Savila. You know what Savila is? And Savila is the translated word for alloy in Spanish. Wow, I'm excited to see how my hair reacts to this, because I've like never used their products. So let's see. So let's zoom in. Right now my skin is, what would you say? I feel like it is not bad because I'm not breaking out or anything. The only mistake I did, literally, was sleeping without my bonnet, because I need to get in the habit of sleeping with my bonnet. Because sometimes I sleep on my hair, and my hair sometimes has oil, and then the oil gets on my face, and then I start breaking out. So this right here is literally because of my hair. My forehead is literally clean. Let's get started. Oh my god, is this like a Vogue? I feel like this is a Vogue skincare routine. Okay guys, let me see if I can put you in my mirror. Can I put you like on my, no, because then I can't see myself in the mirror. So this was probably the best investment, best investment I've ever did, because it's just so beneficial. This one is actually new. I haven't used this one yet, but we're gonna use it today with you guys. This is actually from Vanity Planet. Like, I've used another one before, but this one is like new. I'll show you guys my old one. I don't know where it is, but I'll show you guys. But this is the new one. So we're gonna, I just used, wait, let me see, which one should we use? Okay, I'm gonna use this one. because this one is like more for when you're gonna wash your face. I feel like the big one, this big one is more for like your body. This one right here is for when you're taking off your makeup. I use it for that. And then this one right here that has the soft bristles, like these bristles are really soft, and these are like more rough. So I guess the other one is for like, I don't know. We are actually I want to use this daily microfoliant. By the way, I have not used this. This is a new buy. First impression with you guys right here right now. Brightening rice based powder exfoliant. So I have the box right here. So how do you use it? It's supposed to like brighten your skin, smooth your skin, and yeah. And I haven't exfoliated my skin in a while, so this should be good. It doesn't really tell you how to use it, huh? Oh, it does. After cleansing, have into very wet hands. Create a creamy paste by rubbing hands together. Apply to face. Circular motion. Putting for 1 minute. Then rinse. Okay, that's easy. My face is very sensitive, so let's see how. Let's see how this works. So I guess we're just gonna do like this. Just one. It says 1 tablespoon, but we don't do measures on this side. But I feel like, okay, hold on. Okay, maybe that's better. Add some water. I want to show you guys so bad, but it's like then I'm gonna have to like struggle to put the camera back in place. So it says to just like add a tablespoon and apply water. That's what we're doing. It's not rough, like at all. So now we're gonna use my device. It has like different modes. So the first mode is like very soft, very gentle. Then the second one is like more getting in deep. So yeah. Okay, so it says to only do it for 1 minute. So now we're gonna wash my face. Be right back. Now we're gonna so let me show you guys my top I think my top 2 guys. This brand right here, like to die for. Literally, like you can tell I literally use this a lot. So we're just gonna use this one because the other one, like I said, not wearing any makeup. I don't think I should have used that much because my face is not really that dirty. Whatever. So we're just gonna do like this. My face is wet, so I'm not gonna wet my hands. I like to get in my neck. I like to get in my hairline, in my eyebrows. Definitely in my hairline for sure. I just love it. Like I love the foam. You saw my nose. Like I just love how it feels on my face. Like there's sometimes where I use different cleansers and I can't tell if they're like really washing my face because it just feels like invisible. Like it feels very lightweight and then my face still feels a little dirty. But with this, I just know, like, my face is clean. So let's do a little thumbnail. Let's do a little thumbnail. So now we're gonna go in with this. Now we're gonna rinse it off. We're gonna go in with my Trader Joe's face wash with tree tea oil so it can actually go in and help my dark spots. Because as you can tell, I got a couple right here. And then like, these are not pimples. I think this one right here is a pimple, and this one, because I just, TMI, but I just got off my period. We're just gonna apply this so it can like dry them out. Because majority of my, mind you, I'm getting way better on picking at my skin. Well, no, like not picking on my skin. The objective is to not pick on your skin. Picking on your skin is literally not gonna do anything for you. The bacteria from your fingernails into your skin, I know. But when I was younger, and also not too long ago, when I get like anxious, I would tend to like go straight to my face, and it's just like, it was just a very bad habit. But now I try my best to not, because it's just not like good for you. Like, it's just not good for your face. I've had acne. I've suffered from breaking out ever since I can remember. I first got acne when I was like 12, because I'm pretty sure that's when puberty started for me. And then it got really bad when I was like 13, 14, and 15. It wasn't that bad. It was like getting better. I'm 16, same thing, like it wasn't that bad. And now I still do, like I still suffer from acne, but it's getting way better. Honestly, I'm taking I was prescribed, well, I need to start taking it. I haven't took it yet, but I went to my dermatologist last week, I believe. I believe it was on Wednesday, and she prescribed me these pills for my hormones, because that's what she said that it's because since I'm young, it's my hormones, and anything that can be stressing me out. Also, like washing your pillow consistently is very important. Taking off your makeup. So yeah, like you have to be very cautious of washing your hands and not putting it on your face. Washing your phone, not washing your phone, but cleaning your phone. And yeah, that's pretty much it. What else did she prescribe me? I'm trying to think. I think she prescribed like a face wash, benzoyl peroxide, but I was already using that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But I'm not really like as concerned about my face as I was when I was younger, because it's literally not bad at all. It looks like this now because I just got off my period, but on other days, chef's kiss. While my face is still wet, I don't want to dry it yet. I'm just gonna go in. I don't want to shave off my eyebrows, so I'm not gonna do it on camera, but I'm gonna do it in the mirror. But I'm just gonna like clean my unibrow. Let me see if I can try. I don't really think I have that much, because I cleaned it off literally last week. Yeah, I don't think my eyebrows are bushy. Yeah, I don't really shave my face, to be honest. Like, I'm so honest right now. I really don't. If I do, it's like times like this, like once in the blue. like, oh, I haven't shaved my face in a very long time, let me just do it. Let's get in there. Ew, wow, you see that mustache? Yeah, yeah. A grown man, bro. A grown man. Since I haven't used this, because I do not like using this a lot, it will dry out my skin, and then if my skin is dry, I could also break out. I'm going with the Paula's Choice BHA 2% liquid exfoliant. Even though I just exfoliated my face, we're just gonna put a little bit of this because I haven't used it in a while. And I must say, this right here, this works. Like, if you suffer from acne, trust me, this right there, it just works. But I don't like going in too deep with it. Like, I just put it on, that's it. One of the many last steps. So this is rose water. This is literally from Target. I don't really know. It's just rose water toner, Heritage Store. You know, we've been using her for some time now. If it works, I'm going to tell you guys about it, because one thing about me and one thing about this channel is that we gonna be honest and we gonna recommend the good stuff. We not just gonna talk to talk. Don't play with that girl, because I don't play about my girls. Okay. So I like to, you know, tap it in, tap the top. So we're actually gonna go in with this is the last step, last step. If you know, you know. The girls that get it, and that's literally it. I'm going in with the Snail 92. If you are on TikTok, I know you have, look at this. If that does not explain, then I don't know what will. If you are not on TikTok, well, if you are on TikTok, I know this is all over your For You page. Like, I just know it's all over it. It's all over your For You page because it's all over mine, and I cannot stop hearing the girls talk about it and how good it is and how good it feels and how it makes your skin look like a glazed donut.
It's viral for a reason. I did a video 2 days ago that I finished the Snail Mucin, and I also use this all-in-one cream, and this is my face got to this situation after being full of acne. Trust me with.
Oh wow, she shaved her mustache. I feel like brand new. Okay, we just like going in the neck, down, period. Okay, and that's it, guys. I forgot to include this clip. Out of all my many sunscreens, this is definitely my day one, main one. Go get it right now. I love her. She really puts in that work. Use it. You need to buy it. Subscribe, like, and comment, and stay tuned for the next upload. Thank you, guys. Bye.